Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. It is Saturday morning and also very special day in our life. Yes, today is our anniversary. So yesterday it was my parents' anniversary. Today is ours. So it just happened to be back to back. But this morning, as soon as I came downstairs, my chai was ready, as well as I was greeted with these beautiful roses, as well as the card from my husband and the boys. So day started very well. So yesterday night, actually, my husband asked me that what's my plan for today, because if you have seen my last year vlog, you must have seen it that day I cooked so much, because last year it was Friday and our anniversary is first week of June. So over here during that time, kids has a final exams because our school is over by June 12th or by 18th. So final exams are usually in the first week of June. So that day we didn't go anywhere. I cooked so much food at home. So I had my plan ready for today. And of course this year, because of the situation, I knew we were not going to go anywhere. So I was like, don't worry, just wait until tomorrow morning. And believe me, guys, I plan everything for today. But this morning, as I mentioned, I woke up around, right now it's around 9:30, 10 o'clock. So I woke up around 7. I went and took a shower. And before I come downstairs, my husband was gone to the grocery store. So he left the note for me saying that I'm going to the grocery store. I was like, oh, I don't know, he might need something. So he must have gone. But then as soon as he came home, he got this flower and the dessert. So I was like, why did you got this? Because I had my plan ready. But he's like, no, today I don't want you to step into the kitchen. We'll take care of everything. And you are not making anything for dinner because we'll be getting dinner from outside. I was like, okay. So for breakfast, he made this idli and the chutney. Now idli, no, he didn't make it. It was frozen. So basically he just put it in the microwave and warm it up. But hey, I'm getting breakfast ready here. तो वो किसको पसंद नहीं आता है, right? And of course the chai is ready. For lunch, as I mentioned, कि अब तो सब कुछ हम बाहर से लेके आएंगे. और जो रेस्टोरेंट में से हम लेके आने वाले हैं, वो रेस्टोरेंट यहाँ से काफ़ी दूर है. तो वो डिलीवर तो नहीं करेंगे, तो हमें लेने जाना पड़ेगा. बट आई वाज लाइक दैट्स ओके. मेरा जो प्लान है ना, मैं कहीं कोई और नेक्स्ट वीक कभी मैं बना दूंगी. But he planned it very well. All these things that what he has tell me say like so far seem like it's very interesting plan. So जो अब उन्होंने प्लान किया, of course मुझे उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं करना है, तो we'll go with it. That's fine. So best, I just want to share this with you guys कि I was actually not gonna vlog because honestly I was just gonna stay away from the social media and everything. I was not gonna even pick up the camera, phone, nothing. I was like, I'm just gonna be zoning completely with just the four of us, But how can I miss this kind of thing, I had to share with you guys, right? So I don't know, all three of them is doing something. So I thought, let me just share this with you. And I think I'm gonna make at least a dal makhni because my kids like, of course, all three of them, basically, they like my dal makhni. So I'll just make the dal makhni, but the rest of the food, we're gonna get it from a restaurant. And that's it. Sadly, we can't go anywhere because actually before I was planning that maybe we can go somewhere for long ride or somewhere. But I don't think so. अभी तो कुछ कहीं जाना होगा क्योंकि doesn't matter, right? कि even long drive पे जाओ तो भी कहीं stop होके, क्योंकि अभी तो वैसे सब कुछ खुला नहीं है. तो we'll see. क्योंकि कल शाम को बहुत बारिश हुई थी, तो वेदर तो आज बाहर तो बहुत अच्छा है. तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. But yes, I can get it over with this beautiful flowers. They are so nice. So that's it, guys. Let's go. Let's see. अभी next क्या है, क्योंकि as I said, आज तो मैं किचन में नहीं जाने वाली हूँ. तो नेक्स्ट जो भी सरप्राइजेज है आएगी, वैसे वैसे मैं आपके साथ शेयर करती जाऊंगी. So I don't know what those three are doing. So I thought, let me just make at least a watermelon salad. So whenever I buy the watermelon, I always buy this small one. I don't like to buy the big one, because it's hard to cut, right? So the small one is always better. And as you can see, there is no even seeds in there. So it is perfect. And I'm gonna make this salad with the blueberry. So especially for the summertime, it is so good. So I think I'm just gonna make the salad from the half of them, and half I'll keep it because Raj likes to eat slices and not like the cubes. So I'll keep half of them, but half I'll just go ahead and make the salad. So let me show you how I made this. So here I cut the watermelon into cubes, and in there I'm gonna add some blueberries. Also adding some mint leaves that will give freshness to this salad. And also here I have this feta cheese. This is the plain one. They come in different varieties, but I always buy the plain one, especially for the salad. So that's what I'm gonna add in here. And I'm gonna squeeze a little bit lemon juice for the freshness. And that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything. So that's it. Our salad is all done. Do try this recipe, especially for the summer. It is so refreshing because we add that lemon juice and the mint leaves. And in case if you don't find the blueberries, that's fine. You can just add the feta cheese, lemon, and the mint leaves should do it. And this salad tastes good when it's nice and cold. So I'm gonna keep it in the freeze for about 15-20 minutes and then we'll enjoy it. So that will be our mid-morning snacks, I would say. And God knows what they are doing for the lunch. And I told them, I said, just keep the lunch very light because since I'm making the dal makhni and all the food that we're gonna get it. And actually guys, we decided that we are getting food from 2 different restaurants. Because there is one restaurant close to our house and they have really good paneer sabji. So that's what we're gonna get it from them. And there is another, the far restaurant, we are getting some other food. So this video might be not as long as my other videos because as I mentioned earlier, I'm not cooking anything. In the dal makhni, I'm just gonna make it in the slow cooker, and I do have the recipe for that. So that video, I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. That is the easiest way to make the dal makhni because dal makhni, the more it boiled, it tastes really good. So I'm not gonna go do anything outside. They just want me to stay out of the kitchen today, so I won't be here anymore. But I'm just gonna start everything in the slow cooker, so by the time it's a dinner time, everything should be ready. So now next I'm gonna see you guys when we go get the dinner. And again, as I mentioned, I'm really sorry guys if this video is short, but I'm just gonna keep it real because I'm not gonna be in the kitchen. I won't be doing anything. We'll be basically, they are just starting the movie, so we'll watch movie. And that's it. We are not going anywhere. We'll be inside the house except when we go to get the food, but other than that, we'll be here. And yes, I did post the video this morning, and if I haven't replied to your comments, bear with me. I will definitely try to answer them as soon as I can. But today I just want to spend the day with them. So you guys make this salad. Let me know next time when you make it, whether you like it or what you think about it. And I will see you at the dinner time. So it's around 5 o'clock, and as soon as everyone is ready, we're gonna go and get the food. But today is one of those days that we haven't done anything, especially me. I haven't done any extra work or anything that needs to be done. I haven't done anything except watching movie, eating, and taking nap. And usually we don't like to take a nap, me, my husband, kids. I mean, we just don't take a nap in the afternoon at all. But both of us took a nap this afternoon, and ऐसे दिन कभी कभी होने चाहिए ना कि कोई एजेंडा नहीं है, कोई स्केड्यूल नहीं है, कोई काम करना नहीं है. तो it's just one of those days. तो बस अब हम जाएंगे खाना लेने और मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी कि क्या खाना लेके हम आते हैं. But I just want to keep it real, you know. I just haven't done anything, so मैं क्या आपको बताऊँ, right? But of course, I do want to share this moment with you guys. So let's go get the food, and I'm gonna end the vlog after that. But first of all, let's go get the food. So for dinner, we had a paneer sabji, malai kofta, as well as the gobi Manchurian. And naan, I just made it at home because we had some frozen one, as well as the dal makhni I made at home. And I'm big fan of biryani, so we had a biryani for me. So that was our dinner. And for dessert, my husband got some fruit tart as well as the tiramisu. So that was our dessert for tonight. So this is it, friends. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.